Hello and welcome. This is going to be a dupatta special and it's a beautiful morning today. We're going to be showcasing some lovely combinations for you. So hope you're ready, hope you're set. How are you going to be placing your order? As simple as it gets. आप यहाँ देखें, आप एक screenshot लें and आप WhatsApp पे भेजें. Our WhatsApp number is pinned down on every post that you see. You're going to be seeing it just about everywhere. Our numbers are there. Even on the bio you will see our link and you can just place your order. बहुत सिंपल है. In the age of WhatsApp we have made it even simpler. You see, you send and you buy. That's it. Okay. Cash on delivery इंडिया में हर जगह अवेलेबल है. जहाँ भी ब्लू डार्ट की सर्विस है, that's the service that we use. And obviously we also ship worldwide. जिस दिन से मैंने नीव शुरू किया उस दिन से हम शिप करते आए हैं all over the world. Our clients are all over the world and you know for a lot of you wonder ki yaar, can I see a review, you know, what is it all about? Yes, you will see a lot of stuff on our pages, so make sure you go through it. There is a website www.neev.store जो अगर आप पहली बार join कर रहे हैं, so you know that's a great place also to see the videos. And yeah, that's just about it. A brief introduction so that it's super simple for you to see and to be able to buy the best of Banarsi, and that's what you get at Neev. Okay, this is the first dupatta that you're seeing. Look at the colors of the Meena. Absolutely brilliant and obviously looking fabulous with the color that I'm wearing. But yes, you could be doing a green combination with it, you could be doing a yellow combination with it. It will work wonderfully well. This is a natural color, it is dyeable, but I just think that it looks so perfect with the color that I'm wearing. And the color that I'm wearing is this hot pink. It's styled as a salwar, you can see. Now honestly, it's such good comfort wear. Munga silk 3450 per meter, like soft as it gets, hand woven, karwa weave, beautiful colors that can be picked up in it, and it's just a win-win in all ways. अच्छा, ये जो पहना है मैंने, इसमें आपको 5.5 मीटर तक लगेगा. I'm not too tall, so for me it's like 5 meters, but depends on you. Like if your salwar needs to have some volume, then you'll need 5.5. That's the general recommendation that we give. So that's the look. And as promised, today I'm going to be showing you lots of dupattas in a particular range that you can be going and finding. Oh, this is so perfect. And you know, have I picked up a color that will look nice with these dupattas? You bet I have. So yes, when we wear a color, we make sure that we bring out a lot of dupattas that work wonderfully well with it, like this one. Now this one, 28,800, and see the gorgeous look. Just see how it moves. ध्यान रखिए कि हर piece में you will get tassels. Okay, so tassels are a part of this look. It was a part of the previous look. There's no extra charges. The only thing that we need sometimes is a little time for them to be done. Otherwise, tassels are a part of it. Okay, you know, there was a feedback and I liked it so much. I was there at our Bangalore show last week and one of our really nice clients, you know, she's been with us for some time. She was saying that, you know, your dupattas are so beautiful. Why don't you give a bag to it? Honoring her word, from today onwards, we're going to be giving you a bag, the Neev bag, which is also called a dust bag, you know, the cloth bag. It's going to be coming to you for every dupatta that you get, okay? And for this month, for sure, this month, what's the month? February, right? So you're going to get a cloth bag for every dupatta above 5,800, okay? You buy 10 dupattas, you'll get 10 bags. You buy 15, you buy 15, 1. So yes, that's the newest thing, and this is thanks to that one great feedback from this really nice client of ours in Bangalore. And I think, you know, I liked it so much. I said, yes, why not? I mean, you know, it's such a small thing, but it adds so much to the experience. So yes, you will be getting a cloth bag with every dupatta above 5,800. Yes, there should be, all should be full price. Remember that, okay? But you will get it. So that's my promise for all of this month. You're going to get that amazing, you know, way to kind of just store it, keep it. Yeah, अगर ज़्यादा हो जाए तो हमें बता देना, हम नहीं देंगे. But if you need it, we will definitely give it to you. In every package, you'll be getting it from this month. Okay, when we say something like this, then you know, the whole, you know, it goes down right to the last person who's packing it. So you know, sometimes we get very customize instructions essays, you know, that's a little difficult. You know, hundreds and hundreds of packages go out to ship in a month. तो कई बार उनको माइक्रो मैनेज करना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है, but rest of the things we're going to do everything that we can. Now look at this fabulous colors. I think I've shown so much of. I think this is a gorgeous one. The meenakari, it's beautiful. Look at that. It's just amazing. Now this dupatta is okay. So this is 44,800. This is a little higher on the range, but I think it's so amazing. Now guys, let's switch the colors. Let's mix the colors. Okay. So I'm going to mix up the colors. This is of course the season's latest launch. You're going to be seeing more of it. But right now, when you're thinking कि यार मुझे एक अच्छा दुपट्टा चाहिए, एक सूट चाहिए about 20, 25, 30, you know, sometimes they'll go to 30. If you are looking for a full silk suit, 30 तो जाएगा, you know, with us, with our beautiful Karwa weaves. And this one is 22,800. And look at that. Now, if you're going to be adding a moonga, the way I'm wearing, तो वो हो जाएगा करीबन, you know, it becomes 8625 for 2.5 meter. And then this dupatta, and then you can take a plain bottom. And you have a fabulous look. Now you say you like chinya more, then add chinya. Chinya will have more sheen. But entirely made in Karwa, lightweight, beautiful dupattas, okay, which look amazing. Now this one, this is 14,800. Look at the finishing, it's so gorgeous. But usse bhi zyada inka jo maza hai, wo, look at that, how it flows. It's about wearing it. I'm going back to just showcase to you how amazing it flows. Okay, so that's the flow of Moonga. And you say that, you know, you want a matching Moonga Buta like the one that I'm wearing. It can be done. 14,800. That's the price of the dupatta. And now all coming with a full packaging. All dupattas. Okay, from that on, now that was one dupatta. Okay, and it's a good actually, you know, my team member here is just handing me these pieces. Now I'll tell you, that's a border dupatta. That's made in a different kind of a weave. This is made in a different kind of weave completely. This is a Karwa weave. This is actually linen and it's so gorgeous. So this is all woven in Sona Rupa Karwa. This is our pan shape and this is our very unique composition that we make, which is silk by linen, and it can look hot as it gets. Do a full orange, break it up with a pink, go neutral in the suit and wear this hot orange. I think it's amazing. Such a win-win. 26,800. That's the price of the dupatta. And as I said, today the whole range is going to be in between these, you know, these pieces that we're going to be doing today to showcase to you. So this one, silk by linen in Karwa. That the previous one, it's also close weave, but वो बनता अलग तरीके से, so उसका अलग है. Now look at that. That's the one for the border one. This dupatta, this very nice hot dupatta, 14,800, and look at it. Look at it. Look at how it flows. It's just amazing. Oh. So yeah, are these the colors of spring? Are these the color of the season? Yeah, it's going to be a bit of all of that. I think they look amazing. They feel beautiful. So yeah, I love the brightness of it, and why not? And I think we were also having a really nice discussion on how we're so blessed to be in India, to be able to be wearing colors, you know. Our life is not restricted to black and white, and thank God for that. I mean, yes, a lot of times we do stick to those colors, you know, I mean, but because we like it or not because we have to wear a black and white, we can enjoy these colors, stand out, be beautiful in the way that we like. Okay, this is again 14,800. This whole dupatta, that was 14,800. Okay, now you say you like the brightness, go for that. You like the beauty and the elegance of the soft color, go for that as well. You know, when you're wearing this, okay, now look at this look. You're wearing this dupatta, you're wearing a same on same. Now, you know, fair, you don't want to wear for work or for a meeting or for a formal one, a contrast like this. This is a little more fun, though it looks very nice. But if you say you want to do a same on same, aram se ho jayega. This dupatta 14,800 with the tassels and, you know, the whole package right there. And then you do a same on same matching bunga iske saath, jo 3450 per meter hai. It's a very nice forest green color. I love it. Okay, next on 28,800. This again, this beautiful dupatta. Now you're seeing various colors of it. The lavender, I loved it. Jo abhi just nikla tha. They're all the same price. Oh, what a soft, beautiful color. It's stunning. Okay, you like brightness, go for the bright colors. You like softness, go for them. And just look at the detailing, all of that, zari, mina, it's all there. 28,800, it's ravishing. And I think it would look amazing. For this, again, you need to go same on same. That's going to bring out the best of it, of course. So, बहुत soft colors हैं which look amazing. Okay, now we're going to go on to the silk one, the silk dupatta, katan silk, and it's such a golden colors, I think. And yesterday I was just seeing one of the shows, the fashion way. I keep following them. I love fashion in any way, right? So I was seeing, I think, New York Fashion Week. They were saying there was this color, and and such a brilliant stroke because it was called the turmeric yellow. Okay, and I said, yeah, sometimes I struggle so much with this, calling this color, and it's just because it's not mango, it's not orange. What is that color? Turmeric, right? Yehi hota hai, we get that inspiration from somebody else telling us. But I thought that was such a accurate and a beautiful, representation of that color, the way it was shown in that particular piece of clothing. And yes, हम तो बहुत turmeric colors बनाते हैं. I think, yes, I just think we just promoted a little lesser than we should. So yeah, the kesari of course is one such example that हमने last year दिखाया, and then हमने इतना बनाया उस color को, because sometimes you have to get it right, and we are we get our colors right exactly the way it should be. 18,800. Now this one is a classic मूंगा. अब मैं इसके साथ आपको जो इसका perfect matching है, can I get this dupatta? Yes, that dupatta, and I also want the मूंगा fabrics. I want that dupatta. Okay, this is the 18,800 one. Now you will see that these designs are now not available in white to dye. We have phased out these designs, but क्योंकि colored है और कुछ available है, so I'm showing it to you. So it's a really nice way of kind of buying it. It's a beautiful pink. Okay, now this you can get the matching. थोड़ा अलग है मेरे से. You can get a matching मूंगा. This is 18,800. Now I'll show you the perfect matching, and first things first, I'll show you the color that I'm wearing. That's the color 3450 per meter. I'll show you the fabric. ये फैब्रिक आप बोले किसी भी दुपट्टे में, आज जितने भी हमने दुपट्टे दिखाए हैं, किसी में भी आप अगर चाहें तो हम इसको डाई करा सकते हैं. And look at that, it's gorgeous. You will love wearing it. और मेरा आज का कहना और हमेशा का यही कहना है that if you're new to us, then just try one piece. Okay, don't try much. Don't think that I want to get everything all together, which I think I know many of you go for that emotion as well. And it's all good if you have the confidence. I'm loving it, and I'm sure we are definitely worth your confidence. So I have no doubt in that. But if you have that doubt that मैं एक लूँ पहले देखूँ कैसे होता है, how is this whole thing, this transition before I used to touch and buy now to see and buy, how does it work? Yes, I think it's a great idea just to get one, even if it means that it's this beautiful dupatta. So that's the perfectly colored set. And again, I'm going to say it, you can get this set in any color that you want. मैं एक और इसमें color दिखाती हूँ आपको. And this is the whole pink shade. Yeah, this blue. Can I get that blue? This blue. Yeah. So I'm going to show that to you as well with that fabric. And there you go. Now this one. Look at that. This is a beautiful shade. It's a blue. Right, so you see the pink. Now this one is a little softer. It's a gorgeous one. और इसके साथ एक बहुत सुंदर दुपट्टा है. Now look at that. Here it is. Isn't that amazing? I think it's really, really pretty. So look at that. There you go. I think it's damn nice. So there you go. This part of it. Now you can see it. It looks great. This combination. So yes, मूंगा पे मूंगा बहुत अच्छा लगता है. But Georgette भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है. That's the whole joy. Not this combination though. I don't like the combination. So yeah, sometimes we make it and then we say, doesn't look that good. So we kind of leave it. Now that's the dupatta. It's a beautiful 14,800 dupatta. And whether you want to be gifting it to somebody, because yes, there is that season of wedding, तो वो भी एक consideration side में चलता रहता है. And now look at that one. You want to make it a little dressy. And this has got a lot more zari, 32,800. There you go. Sona Rupa, the tassels done. And I think आज जितने भी pieces हैं उनमें अगर लुक, ऑफ कोर्स आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ देम हैव टैसल्स, ओके, सो एंड किस में नहीं है तो वो हम आपको करके देंगे. सो 32,800, इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल पीस एंड इट्स अ लवली शेड ऑफ ग्रीन, not too bright, not too light, just right. Okay, now there you go. This one very unique. This is 40,800 and this one is a jacquard weave and it's very pretty. You know, this is like that butter yellow, that perfect butter yellow. Okay, and buttercup yellow bolne aap, that's also one word. Okay, now look at that, this dainty little flowers. You know, spring is round the corner. Of course we haven't officially kind of said it's spring because I know some areas are really cold, and because we work worldwide, we do want to give you season appropriate looks. And of course in Australia, I'm going to talk about that, that's all. But look at the flow, it's a lovely dupatta, it moves like this. Why I love these lies so much, the standing ones, is because I can just do justice and show it's a okay. Now I'll give you the composition of this. This is Georgette, but there's this jacquard weave and then there is Meena. It's all things special in one. It's a very nice one. Okay, now we're going on to this very light beautiful dupatta. Acha, iske baad I'm going to go on to just 4 silk fabrics. They're so lovely that मुझे उनको दिखाना है आपको. Now this one again very pastel. Okay, so lots of you asking for natural nude colors, you know, which are really soft. कितना अच्छा है. This is a 14,800. Go for a Munga silk, go for a chinia suit, and like if you go for a Munga silk, can I have the maths? It will be 8,625 plus 6,125 plus 14,800.
29,550.
So 29,550. I'll tell you exactly what you'll get. This dupatta, 2.5 meter buta Munga in the same color and plain 2.5 meter Munga in the same color. So one picture perfect look, 29,550. That's the price. So you know, you can get it. And now let's get on to this. Oh yes, do we have a new launch of an antique zari fabric? Yes, we do. I think antique zari fabrics are doing incredibly well. You're loving it. So ये जो composition है ये हमारा कतान silk में है. And it's a very nice beautiful blue. इसका मुझे price I want to tell you, one second. I want to actually also open it for you, but before I open it for you, I want to tell you the price. It is 6,800. Okay, and let's show you the color. Let's show you how it look. This is how it's going to look. Incredibly rich. Okay, just stunning, just stunning. Look at that. Now you can almost imagine somebody wearing this, you yourself wearing this. It's a beautiful shade of blue. Beautiful shade of blue. Okay, and you know, you can see the color. अब इसको same on same पहने बहुत सुंदर लगे. It's going to look amazing. It's an antique zari, and if you're up for it, wear a pant, broad silk pant इसका, and then plain silk katan silk kurta. Super duper hot and so chic and so nice. Okay, you say you want a dupatta, sure, I have incredible dupattas, but always remember, अगर आप antique zari में दुपट्टा लगाने वाले, हम gold लगाने वाले. We do not yet make antique zari dupattas which are dyeable, just because I think we make such far and few collections of antique zari कि हम पूरा एक दुपट्टे का collection इस पे बनाए right now. I mean, the maths doesn't work for us, but someday probably if you guys like this more and more, we can always introduce a dyeable antique zari dupatta. But for now, it's about the look, and I think it's a grand look. So if you're going to go for kurta, plain silk bottom, this dupatta, very nice, very heavy. 2.5 meter. 2.5 meter is going to be 17,000. Okay, so 6,800. And diameter. Oh, what a beautiful color, guys. Can you see it? Can you see it? It's lovely. It's a green tinge with the yellow. Oh, kya sheen hai. It's like fabulous. But what I love the most about it is this very light color Meena. Okay, मैं इसके साथ आपको 3 dupattas. I'm going to show you 3 dupattas because I want to, you know, show you what's possible. Like you can do a dark pink, you can do a light pink. So I'm going to show you all. 6,800. don't spend too much time thinking about it. If you like it, see, our lives are always like that. If you see that one thing that you absolutely love, that is the moment to go for it. Okay, हर बार नहीं होएगा, and that's okay, completely fair. But just then you get that feeling, oh my god, that's a look I cannot miss, then that's the time you should go for it. Okay, now look at that. This is a beautiful combination. I'm loving this. I'm going to show it to you exactly like this, how it's going to look. तो 3 अलग दुपट्टे मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ एकदम. This is one look. Okay, now look at that. I'll bring it closer. This is about when you want to wear a little dressy, the pink colors matching, and the dupatta is actually so fabulous that I'll come back to it. इसको एक बार यहीं रखना, and that's your third dupatta. Yeah. Now look at this. This is, so you'll see that हर color से ये piece एकदम अलग लगता है, and वही है इसकी beauty. Why I'm showing you the color that you should go for. It's definitely, it's just all about your way. You want to brighten it up, wear a dark one. I showed you a light one. और जो तीसरा मैं दिखाऊंगी आपको, वो मैं दिखाऊंगी ये, that you show me with that. Okay, this. Now this is somewhere in the middle. It's not too dark, it's not too light, it's just gorgeous in every which ways. 32,800 ka dupatta. Look at that. I think it's so beautiful. But I say that the first one was also looking very, very nice. The soft color. So 6,800 per meter. That's a fabulous fabric to have. मैं ये दुपट्टे भी, I want to wear them, show them to you, so that you can honestly get a look for the dupattas as well. But I won't spend too much time on it because I just showed it to you. Yes, I will quickly recap it. This is the 28,800. बहुत सुंदर है. It's such a beautiful lightweight dupatta. I think it looks incredible. Tassels are part of it, and then this one. Now I have, I think, 2 more colors in that fabric, and you will not believe. It's going to be a tough choice for you to pick up which one. This is, so ये है. This is the middle वाला दुपट्टा which I was showing you. It's a hot pink. जिसके साथ मैं आपको एक और चीज दिखाती हूँ, which is the third color of this, and like pink on pink. But I think what I have in mind for you, that dupatta will look better on this. But first things first, this incredible color. क्या two tone weave है, just see the color. Wow. You want to dress up, you want to make it season appropriate. It's a beautiful orange by pink, and how incredible it looks. Okay, just beautiful in every which ways. Buy it by the meter. So the first color that you saw had an antique zari. The other 2 that you're seeing are all gold, and they are absolutely amazing. This one, now this one, there you go. Here you go. इसके साथ, अच्छा, I can do an orange dupatta, and that will, the burnt orange, I think that will look very nice as well. मुझे ये थोड़ा सा pink भी अच्छा लगा, and I think it looks good. So you can do this. You can say you give me this dupatta in orange. I think that would also look nice. You decide which one is going to go better, and you tell me कि क्या है scene. Okay, which one do you think is going to be more appropriate? Okay, now we're going to go back. कुछ ही दुपट्टे रह गए last, and which I'm going to close. So yeah, I decided I'll go show you all of these range. Yeah, let's do this. Now again, 14,800. Just see the flow, the finish. Oh, that's your look. Okay. So you're thinking, need me, every dupatta, is it, very, very high range? And, no, you want to try something, just try this. It's perfection, it's wearable, it's going to be easy to dress up, and versatile enough to be building up looks, okay? एक black बनता है, तो एक, I don't think I've done any black today so far. No, not really. So I'm going to, oh, look at that. How can you ever go wrong with a black? You really can't. So black dupattas are a must, okay? Because when in doubt, throw in a black dupatta. That's as simple as it gets. Honestly, I mean, itna hi hai usme funda. They go black. There's a Sona, there's a Rupa, there's a 32,800 dupatta, and it's perfect in every which ways. You have to have a gorgeous black as this one, okay? And I'm going to show you one very interesting look. That's going to be the ombre. Is season का special रहा है, in the last few months we've done such gorgeous ones. but yeah, this one has my heart as well. And you know, you'll see it for a reason. It's these gorgeous shade. Pink, pick out any one to wear it with it. Like I was just showing you pink, but it has to be color match. And choose chinia and or munga. Honestly, you can do both. But look at the gorgeous dupatta. Now these dupattas are 17,800. They're gorgeous. I'll show you the whole finishing, the look, that touch which makes it extra special. And I'm thinking कि मैंने क्या छोड़ा है यहाँ, this red, this pink one on the top. I want to show that one. Okay, क्या मैंने छोड़ा है? Now this is another range. Okay, 14,800. So many ones. The small buta, like very small flower one, the diagonal stripe ones, the border one. You have everything. All 14,800. और इसी में दो colors हैं, मैं दो में ही दिखा देती हूँ आपको. Now look at that. How can you go wrong with such bright, beautiful looks that are right there for you to pick? Very easy, very simple. You know, just everything that you want to kind of see. Pink orange के साथ golden. Yes. So okay, now remember, जैसे ही हम ये live खत्म करते हैं, हम सारे ही post करते हैं. This is one gorgeous dupatta, 48,800. Yeah. 48,800, and just look at the beauty of this. Now why I'm doing it, because मैंने ये इससे दिखा रही हूँ क्योंकि आज सुबह ही मैंने ये एक वीडियो में आपको दिखाया है, and some lovely combinations all with बांधनी. We've done that. और वो थे तो आपको you know उसमें ये दुपट्टा भी था. So if you're wondering how it looks, you know, is it okay? ये question and totally valid. Is it as nice as it looks? In actually, is it that nice? It is a little beyond that, and for that I will always say, you know, try one, see the beauty, know what the entire deal with Neve is, and then you'll know. Okay, one very lovely combination. बीच में ये ensemble है, पर मैं दिखाती हूँ आपको, because this is such a nice, again, very season specific. Oh, look at that. Oh, perfection. A linen meenakari fabric. This hot dupatta, but so good with it because you'll see it becomes completely a neutral base. Pop of color, plain chanderi bottom, and it's going to be one showstopper. Okay, it's a very amazing. Sorry, 1 second. Yes, very nice look for you to go for. Okay, couple of last 2-3 dupattas. I'm just seeing. I want to do the lavender also. I'll go close with that one. Now this is something new that I'm trying. Tell me what you think. Okay, so I'll tell you what it is. This is basically chanderi, and you will see this rose gold, and then you'll see. So this is a chanderi dupatta. Okay, this is 28,800. It's got this zari. It's nice. It's like, you know, this got that sheen, but it's all about comfort. A plain suit would be great. And in fact, मैं आपको बोलूँगी कि आप इसमें चंदेरी का plain suit पहने. You know, मूंगा भी ना पहने, चिनिया भी ना पहने, चंदेरी पहने. You know, it'll look nice. So it's a nice one. I want to, you know from you what you feel about it. How do you think it is? One very lovely lavender. हमें हमेशा ही कमी रहती है थोड़ी lavenders की. और आज क्योंकि दो हैं तो मैं दोनों दिखाने वाली हूँ आपको. And right. Okay. Now look at that. Oh, just that gorgeous dupattas with tassels, with a full packing. Yes. For anybody who's joining late, from now on, all dupattas above 5,800 will come with a cloth bag, you know. So yes, that's the greatest thing, so that you can really keep your Neve ke dupatte अच्छे से संभाल के, you know, in your wardrobe. But अच्छा, मेरी एक condition है, just because the cloth bags are coming, don't like keep it so well that you don't wear it. Okay, the dupattas you have to wear them. You have to wear dupatta suits. Whatever you get, wear them. So इतना भी अच्छे से उसको मत सजा के रखिएगा कि पहने ही ना. So of course, wear it, put it aside. But really, you know, I know many of you buy, but sometimes, you know, you just don't get around wearing it. I also say that of course एक बार जरूर खरीदे, but एक बार आप पहने. Once you have worn a Neve and you have worn, like, look at this unique composition, silk by linen. This one is a 26,800 one. I'm telling you, there's no going back. In a good way. So this incredible dupatta, and I love the color. So this is for you. The very last two dupattas that I'm going to be doing is one, I'm going to be doing a hot blue, and then I'm going to end it with one natural color. मैंने natural color से शुरू भी किया था, and I'm going to, oh, this is really nice, isn't it? So this is the jacquard. You saw buttercup yellow in this. उसमें मीना था. This is the other style, but look at the tassels, look at the finishing. Just look at every detailing. It's perfection in every ways. This beautiful hot royal blue color. Wear a full blue suit with it. It's going to look nice. There's no doubt about it. Just see how it moves. Okay, it's really perfect. And the very last dupatta, and that's this. We have one more piece of this. Okay, still available. So this is one of the designs that we had launched sometime back. I think 2 months back, 3 months back. Yeah, in December. And since then we made it, and we made it again. And this is the last piece that we have. Now look at the tassels. It's beautifully finished. The Meena is there, you know, and everything, every detailing just perfect. Wear it in neutral, wear it all neutral look, wear it with the contrast. There will be so many ways of wearing it. Anyway, so that's all from us today. Remember, cash on delivery पूरे इंडिया में अवेलेबल है. हम दुनिया भर में शिप करते हैं by DHL. तो अगर आप कनाडा में हैं, यूएसए में हैं, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में हैं, wherever you are, you can place your order. Payment super easy. Razorpay का link आएगा आपके पास, and you have to click it and make your payment. Don't give us any credit card details ever to any one of us. You will need to click it and fill in the details. Okay? अब आप USD में, CAD में, AUD में, AED में, जो करेंसी चाहे, GBP में, we will give the link to you in that. And free India shipping above 10,000, free international shipping above 50,000. And yes, now free cotton bag like the care bags, Neve care bags will come for every dupatta above 5,800 at least for a month. We'll see how it goes. So that's the special add-on. And of course, 50,000 and above, you will also get a style guide that also remains a part of it. So yeah, lots of these, you know, small things that I hope will make the Neve experience even more beautiful. So thank you for your time. Come now, place your order on WhatsApp.